Jelly Babes. So today I'm going to be finishing my review of the products that were very kindly sent to me from Charlie's Nail Art for review. All details will be in the description box or below, and also make sure you use my 15% off code, which is GUL15. So I know these look a little bit of a weird colour combo. I do change it during the video, but this is what I thought I was going to go with initially. So these, I'm just quickly showing you the products that I've used for these, for the swatches. And like I say, I will have all details in the description box below. So this is a glitter. It's an exclusive glitter to Charlie's Nail Art, and it's called Galaxy. And it's actually a mix of ultrafine and chunky glitters. So I actually apply it over this lighter blue colour as well, just to show you. And as you can see, there's some stars as well in here, but I never actually managed to get any stuck to my nail, which I've just realised. So because I thought that this actually looks better, I mean, look at all that different colours that are going on. I'm not going to use these two colours, but I have kept it in my video just so you can see what it would look like over a darker colour, just in case that was something that you wondered. But yeah, I switched these up and changed it to here because I just thought it went better with the colour combo. It kind of fitted in better. Maybe you agree. So I'm going to be using this Born Pretty Harunouta plate. It's L045, and obviously I'm going to be using this crystal image here, which I thought would look really good if I mixed it in with the angel paper. So I'm just going to get rid of any bits that I don't want with my lint roller, and I will be stamping over this again in a darker colour. I just put a light colour on just so I could have like a rough guide on where to put the angel paper. So can you remember when everybody was going mad trying to get their hands on this type of paper because of doing like the broken glass effect? Well, yeah, well, you can get it from Charlie's Nail Art as well, and they do have some variety of colours actually of angel paper. This is not their only colour, and obviously it will change colour dependent on what base you put it on, but yeah, I think it's a super cool sort of tool to add to your nail art. So I know this might look a little bit weird, but it will sort of look properly in the end. And, you know, obviously you just got to cut out on a rough guide, but if you want it smaller or sort of more chunky, then you just cut it accordingly. This is actually sticking to the gel polish because that has a tacky layer. So you'd probably have to use some normal polish. If you don't use gel, maybe you could use like a foil glue or something like that just to get it to stick to the nail. So now that this is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly apply a top coat, which I cure underneath my lamp. And then I'm going over the same image with a black stamping polish. So again, I'm just getting rid of the bits that I don't want. And then I'm just going to line it up the best that I can. And there you go. Doesn't that look awesome? And seriously, it changes colour as it catches the light, which you can see you've got like a gorgeous pinky colour, greens and purples. It really is very, very pretty. So moving on now, you've got these glitter dots. You get 2 grams in a packet like this. I think this one is called Bubblegum. So it's got a mixture really of pinks and purples and lilac dots, and obviously all different sizes as well. So for this, I'm going to be using a builder gel, just because I think it's going to just be easier to apply it that way, just because I don't think it would stick particularly well just to the normal tacky layer that you get from a gel. So this is quite thick as well, so you want to make sure that you're applying it as thin as possible. So I haven't cured that because I want it to kind of sink into the nail. And basically you sort of add the glitters where you want them. I'm kind of adding obviously chunkier glitter and then sort of filling in the gaps with the smaller glitter like so. So this obviously is probably the most time consuming out of the mani, but the end results are really, really worth it because it's super gorgeous. So I'm just going to pop some music on now as you watch me sort of build this mani up.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy.
So when I was happy with it, I applied another layer of the builder gel and cured that. And then I'm basically buffing it down is what I'm doing, just to make sure it's all lies flat and it's all smooth. Don't worry, it doesn't scratch the glitters or anything like that or ruin it, because obviously the builder gel is quite thick as well. Obviously, but you don't want to be too rough with the buffing process. So you want to get off any of the dust now. Oops. So it's cleaning it off. So there you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply a gel top coat. So I apply 2 coats of gel top coat, just to make sure that it's all sort of really lying flat and super smooth, because you don't want it snagging. And you want to remove the tacky layer. You want to do that to all of the nails. And there you go. How fabulous does that look? And I love how it changes colour as the light catches it as well. So yes, you've definitely got like a glitter extravaganza with this look. And I'm really, really happy with how it's turned out. All of it looks awesome. I love the galaxy glitter. I love the angel paper. I love these little dots. So do you guys love it too? Please tell me in the comments box below. Thank you, Charlie's Nail Art, for sending me these products. Take care, Jelly Babes. See you in the next one. Bye.